Hi, we're here at the 2012 TDWI World Conference in San Diego. I'm here with Paul Kautza, TDWI's Director of Education. And Paul, we're on opening night here at the Partner Member Reception. Tell me a little bit about this year's theme.
Well, this year's theme for the conference is around big data, and we're looking at all the things that, with the advent of the internet and Hadoop and social media and all the things, how it's fundamentally changing data warehousing and BI as we know it and what's happening with that. And I think we've got a very good crowd here for the next 6 days. A lot of them are staying for 4, 5, and 6 days. We've got some interesting new classes. We've got one on the future of analytics, which is being held tomorrow, which has over 100 people in it. And Paul Flack is teaching 2 new classes. One is Big Data, what's all the Hadoop, and it's a full day on Hadoop. He's got, I think, over 100 people in that class. And a lot of people, he said, have big data and data scientist in their title. And the next day he's teaching Beyond All the Hadoop Law, which is about MapReduce, Hive, R, Pig, and all of the different pieces that go with that. We've got a number of classes around the new architectures for big data. So we've got a lot of stuff going on, and we've got a lot of energy around the topic. As you know, big data has been a very large topic for a long time now, and people, and it's more, I think it's gone far past the hype. So we're starting to see a lot of people that are resonating to getting educated around what do we mean by this. And my keynote tomorrow is Tom Fassner from eBay. And the interesting story with eBay is, they have a massive data warehouse and BI system. And the message that I want our audience and the people around data warehouse and BI to understand is that as you get to big data and Hadoop, you don't throw out everything else you have and go that direction. It's really, his message is, here's our data warehouse, here's our BI environment, and here's how we're using social media and text analytics and the big data concepts with Hadoop and making it a wrapper around what we're doing and integrating that into our environment. So there's a lot of really interesting things happening this week, and I think it's going to be a very good conference and a very good show, and getting people to understand how the whole big data phenomena can be folded in and melded into the environments they have today.
Well, it sure sounds like there's a lot going on. And for people who aren't able to come to the conference, we do have a couple of opportunities for them to interact. One was the keynote that you mentioned, and that's tomorrow, correct?
Tomorrow. We're also doing, so Tom Fassner's keynote will be streamed live, and it's tdwi.org/live, I believe.
That's correct.
And then on Thursday, we've got a very interesting keynote with Mark Demarest and Mark Mattson, and they kind of do a counterpoint of all things from cloud computing to big data to there's about 10 topics they have, and they debate good pros and cons of each, and then they give us a little synopsis at the end of how they really feel about them. So that should be a very interesting keynote as well, and that will be streamed live as well.
Right, and I believe there's a preview of that up on the TDWI website. Is that correct?
Yes, we did that, I think, in San Diego about a month ago, so that preview should be there. Plus, we've got the Executive Summit on big data, which is 2.5 days here starting tomorrow.
So it sounds like a lot of opportunities for the people who are here, and even if you're not able to make it, there's a couple of opportunities to participate. Paul, thanks for your time today.
Thank you.